Hey guys, in this video we'll show you the basics of replicated storage and what it's capable of. So let's start with some simple questions. What is replicated storage and what does it do? Replicated storage is used to store stuff and objects, but it gets replicated to the server or the client too. Let's say you have a bunch of models and building workspace, but there's no more space to hold these buildings. So what you need to do is put all of them inside replicated storage, and it will store up free space for in workspace. You can store as many objects as you want in replicated storage. Is it important to use replicated storage? If you want to make a game where the map changes every 5 to 10 minutes, the replicated storage is what you need. Most of games has a shop will contain at least every object inside replicated storage, so when you buy it, something in the shop, it will move the object from his storage to the player or workspace. Alright, so let's start setting it up. For the showcase, I'm gonna build 3 quick parts. That's like maps. Alright, so we got this. Then one more part, sphere. Alright. Too big, obviously. Okay. Let's do wedge. Alright. I'm gonna anchor of them. And I'll be calling it example, but for you, I'll be calling it map. But you can name it however you want. But I suggest naming the map. Now this one, I'm gonna also name map 2. And also this. I'll name it map 3. So now we actually put all of them into replicated storage, and now let's start making a script. So if you want like the map to be shown to all players, then type the script in server script service. But if you want to show the map only to one player, then go over starter player scripts and add a local script. But I'm gonna show it so all players can see it. So I'm gonna go over server script service and add a script. I'm gonna rename it map loader. It doesn't really matter how you name it. And now what we wanna type is actually more likely we're gonna start with while true do. We gonna type here local number equals map.random. Now I have 3 maps in replicated storage. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna type 3. But let's say I have 5 maps. You're gonna type 5 in here. Let's say I have actually 7 maps. So you're gonna put at the end 7. But I have 3 maps. So I'm gonna put 3. Now we're gonna type wait. And what this actually means is how long the map will take to be loaded. Let's say 3 seconds is enough. If you want like the map to be loaded in 10 seconds, you're gonna type 10. You're gonna type 10. Let's say, but I'll leave it at 3. Now we're gonna what we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove the end, and we're gonna type here game. We can actually type here game that replicated storage find first child. In here we're gonna type map. As you can see, I have over here map, but let's say I have actually brick. Let's say I actually have name it brick. So you're gonna type in here brick. Alright? But I have map, so I'm gonna type map. Type 2 dots. I'm gonna type then number, close the parenthesis, and type parent equals workspace. But he's gonna go in workspace. Now you want to load, or you can call it remove the map from workspace, all you need to do is use find first child on workspace to find a model called map. And again, if you name it brick, then brick. So, and then it will attempt to move the loaded map from the big storage. And then wait 3 seconds. Because you have here 3 seconds. If you have 10, it's gonna take 10 seconds. And it's gonna pull the map, random map in workspace. Alright? A random map in workspace. But this is still not the end of the script. What we need to type is, again, the loading. Let's say we wait. Actually, did it wrong. Wait. Now this is how long the map will be in the workspace. Let's say I want the map to be like 10 minutes. So you're gonna type 600 seconds. It's always in seconds. It's not in minutes. Let's say you want it like 2 minutes the map to be loaded. Like let's say you want the map to be in workspace for 2 minutes. You're gonna type 120, right? But I'm gonna leave it at 3, so it's quick to show you guys. Another line workspace. That find first child. Type again map, sorry. Dot number. That parent. Equals game that replicated storage. I'll go over here. I type end, and we actually have this. So what this basically means that map in workspace, find child map. It's gonna the server is gonna find the object called map with the number at the end, which is this number over here, which we specified right over here. It's gonna go back to replicated storage, and this is gonna be repeating because then the replicated storage is gonna go put the map into workspace. Right? Let's test it out. It should work. It's gonna take 3 seconds. Okay, 3 seconds. Disappear. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it works really perfectly. So actually, I hope you like this video, and bye.